I'm Josh Anderson with the INDATA Project, and today I'm here to show you the totchop. So the totchop is a knife as well as a holder, and really the idea behind it is to be able to chop things safely with using either one hand, or if I happen to have a visual impairment or other disability that makes that challenging. So I just put my food right here, and if you can see, it's kind of a silicone base, so it holds everything very much in place. Then I can just take my knife and really get a lot of force with very little movement, very little range of motion. It also has a few things on here that shows me inches as well as food size, so that if I'm trying to mince, dice, or chop food, I can make sure I'm making it the correct size. Or if I need food in a certain size, just due to special eating needs or feeding children so they don't choke, I can easily kind of use that side over here. They make this version, which has a sharp knife. They also make another version, which has a very dull knife on it, just for kids or other individuals where perhaps a sharp knife is not the best idea. But that's just called the totchop.
Well, that's your tech tip for today. I want to say thank you to the Indiana Telephone Relay Access Corporation for sponsoring our captions today. My name is Brian Norton with the INDATA Project at Easterseals Crossroads in Indiana.